everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel The Informant. If someone is new to this channel, let me just remind you that we make videos related to online services, placement drives, education and many more. In this video, we will be sharing a very important information of Cognizant, that is how to enroll for medical insurance in Cognizant. So this question we were repeatedly getting in the comment box, make a video on how we can enroll for medical insurance. So this video we have made for you people, and guys, try to watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any important information regarding this medical insurance in Cognizant. And in this video we have also covered some important FAQs which you will be having in your mind, so watch the video till the end. And guys, if someone has not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel. So let us start our video. Some important FAQs. How to enroll for medical insurance. This is the most important question, or this is the most important doubt you will be having in your mind. How we can enroll for medical insurance. So as you all know that Cognizant is sending reminder mails to complete this medical insurance. So in that mail you can see there is an option called Medi Assist. So if you click on that Medi Assist link, you will be redirected to Medi Assist portal. So this is a one way, and another way to go to that Medi Assist portal is, so you have to go to 1C portal and there you need to search Medi Assist. So you will be redirected to Medi Assist portal. So this is a two way you can go to that Medi Assist portal. So some people are getting direct enrollment option, some people are getting some UI interface called bank details, personal details, like that. So that doubt everyone have, how we can enroll. So if we go to menu option also, there is a no option called enrollment. So let me tell how you can enroll for this medical insurance in that basic details bank detail interface. So as you all know that there will be an option called edit in contact details. So if you click on edit, you can see your Cognizant mail ID. So there is an option called click to get OTP. So if you have to click that option, so you'll get a OTP in Outlook. So you have to enter the OTP, and then some people are getting option to enter mobile number also. So you have to give your mobile number and you will get a OTP in your mobile phone, and you have to enter that OTP. So by entering that OTP, you will be redirected to that enrollment page. Some people are directly getting an option to enroll. So this is a two different UI people are getting. So you need to click on enroll now. So when you click on enroll now, there will be a interface called terms and condition. So you need to accept the terms and condition, and you need to click on I agree. So when you click on I agree, you will get a 3 rows. So in first row, your profile details will be there, where your name, your date of birth, your marital status. So if you give your marital status as married, it will ask an option to give your marriage date. So you need to give your marriage date. And then second row will be group member cover, where you can give your parents details, your husband or wife detail, and your children's details. Note, children's age should be up to 25. So if your children has crossed 25 years age, so they are not eligible in this group member cover policy. And third row will be additional member cover, where you can add your family members like brother, sister, mother-in-law, father-in-law. But for that you need to pay annual premium amount. So it depends. So if you select for 10 lakh, 15 lakh, 20 lakh, premium amount will be changed. So maximum amount will be 20 lakh. So let us see how we can add our dependent details in group member cover and additional member cover. So in group member cover, there will be your name. So it will be auto populated from last year, where your name and your date of birth will be showing. So if you want to add your father details, so if you have to click on add in the right corner. So there it will ask you type of relation, so father, and date of birth. So you need to give your father date of birth, name, and save. And now you want to add your mother's details. So again you need to click on add. Then you need to select type of relation as mother, and you need to give the name, and then the date of birth, and then save. Note, date of birth is very important. So if you give correct date of birth, then only you can claim for your medical insurance policy. Now your husband or wife, so again you need to click on add. Then you need to select type of relation, and then a name, then date of birth, and then save. So this is how you will add your dependent details in group member cover. Now additional member cover. So let us take an example of a brother. So again you need to click on add on a right corner. So then you need to give a type of relation as brother, then the name of your brother, and then date of birth, then save. Then again for your sister, then again click on add, then give type of relation as sister, then name of your sister, then date of birth, then save. So maximum only 2 members you can add there, not more than 2. So again you need to click on save. So it will ask you to check the checkbox, some terms and condition, and then you need to click on save. So you will get a mail in Outlook that your medical insurance policy for this year is submitted, like that, completed, like that. So this is how you will add your dependent details, and this is how you can complete your enrollment for medical insurance. Now, who and all are eligible to claim this insurance? As I told earlier, father, mother, your husband or wife, brother, sister, children's. How much we can claim per year? For group member cover, maximum amount will be 2,50,000. So I have seen almost 2,50,000 only for all the people. So you can see in your salary slip, monthly will pay 1,250 rupees. So for above associate, I think they will get some more amount. So if someone are seeing associate or senior associate employees, please comment in the comment box how much you are getting. I think everyone will get same only 2,50,000. What is the last date to enroll medical insurance? So the last date to enroll medical insurance will be November 5th. So it started from October 18, so it will end on November 5th. So you have to enroll your medical insurance policy before November 5th to get to claim your medical insurance. So this is how you will add your dependent details. This is how you will complete the medical insurance policy. So this is all about our today's video. If you have any other doubt, you can ask in comment box. I will try to clear your doubt. So thank you for watching our video. If you feel our content informative, please do like, subscribe, share, and stay tuned.